Hello guys, and welcome to my video tutorial number 41. And this video I'm going to show you how to encrypt your passwords, okay, or how to encrypt whatever you want using the Md5, okay, encryption. So to start, I want you guys to go to your localhost / PHP myadmin, okay. Go to your PHP myadmin. Make sure you have your XAMPP control panel activated, and go to your test site database, which is the one that we are using for our CRUD test site. Go to users table and go click here in structure, okay. What I want you guys to do now is these are the fields you have, okay, and these are the character size limit you have for each field, 20, 20, and probably you'll have 20 as well in password. So once that we are using the passwords now to we will encrypt the passwords using Md5. Md5 changes whatever password you type to a 32-digit size password. So you will have to change from 20 to 40, okay? To do that, you have to go here a little bit to the right and click here, change, okay? And in here, you probably have 20, so take that out and put type 40 and save, okay? Perfect. Okay, so now you'll be able to have in your password fields characters or 40 size passwords. Okay, and to show you right away how Md5 password looks like, I'm going to show you in here, users. And let me scroll down. So this is how Md5 encrypted password looks like. Okay, it's a 32-digit password, and it's pretty much impossible to know what the password is. Probably in here is encrypted the password maybe 12345 or something like that. Okay, but we will always have a 32 password, encrypted password here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to whatever user registers to your CRUD test site and types password, whatever password he types to register, it will always have this this value in your database. Okay, it will always be encrypted. So you can encrypt whatever you want into your database, either the password or the email or the name. But in this video I'm going to show you only how to encrypt your password using Md5. So let's go and start encrypting passwords. So the first thing I want you to do is to go to your insert.php, and in here, okay, scroll down until you find the MySQL query that inserts the values. Okay, this script is the script that inserts new values of the registered form, okay, or a new user, the values of the new user. Okay, so you'll have a new email, a new name, a new email, and a new password, right? So in here, before the MySQL query, we have to type a new password, a new variable, sorry. So let's type password Md5, and this will hold the transformed password or the Md5 password. Okay, this is where we will transform the old password to an Md5 password. So to do that, we type Md5, and inside the parentheses we type whatever is the value that we want to transform to Md5 or to encrypt to Md5, okay? And the value is the variable password that we have here, Okay, this is the variable that we want to change to MD5 encryption. So here we type password. Okay, and this is the value that if you go to your CRUD test site and click register, this is the value that we type in here. Okay, so whatever we typed in here is going to be saved and inserted into your database as your MD5 password. So the only thing that we also have to change is in here, instead of password, obviously we have to type password MD5. Okay, and basically that's it. So if we now go back to our register form and we type in here, let's say Rocky Balboa, and let's type here rocky@hotmail.com, and here let's type Rocky as a password, Rocky, and register. You have successfully registered it. And now let's go back, and if I click in okay, we have here, you have here Balboa 1. No, this is not Rocky Balboa. This is another value. Okay, so click home. Okay, and before we use that new user in your login system to see if it works, I want you guys to go to your PHP MyAdmin, refresh, and at the bottom probably we will have the Rocky Balboa user with the new encrypted MD5 password. Okay, so you'll not be able to see what the password is. We know that is a Balboa, or sorry, we know that the password is Rocky, but if a hacker enters your database and sees searches for the password of Rocky Balboa, it will only see this password here, and it's pretty much impossible to know what the real password is. Okay, so you see, I have also here some other few passwords encrypted. Okay, it's pretty much impossible to know and to use that password. So let's go back, and in here let's type Rocky Balboa. Okay, and now we have to type here Rocky. If we click login, the password is incorrect. And why is that? Because whatever we type in here, okay, the script that runs these values will take this password that we type in here and will search the database to see if Rocky Balboa has that password. What happens is that when it reaches to Rocky Balboa, it finds that the password is not Rocky, is 5BAB41 blah 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 blah. Okay, all this crap here. So what we have to do here is to go to the script that processes these values. We have to take the value of password, which is probably a posted value, and in here we have to transform this to an MD5, also MD5 encryption. Okay, and then the script can search for that. So to do that, we have to go to login.php, and in here, this is the password that we type in here, the value that we type in here. We have to transform this to an MD5 password. Okay, so automatically when we type there a password, it will transform to an MD5 password. So let's save this, and now if we go back and we type here, let's refresh, and if we type here Rocky Balboa, and we type here Rocky, login, and we are in. See, perfect. Okay, so it works. Also, what you have to change is the edit user, because if you go into edit a user, let's edit now Rocky Balboa. I want to change the password to another password. Okay, instead of Rocky, this means Rocky here. Okay, instead of this password, I want to change this password to a new one. So let's edit here this password here to let's say it was Rocky, so now it's going to be Balboa. Sorry, Balboa. Okay, but if I save now this in the database, it will not show an MD5 password. It will show Balboa password. Okay. What I want to do is to change here to Balboa, and when I save it, also in the database, I want the password still be an MD5 password. Okay, to do that, we have to go to change.php, and here, new password, we have to type here MD5, and between the parentheses, request new password, save this, and now it will work. Okay, so if I click here, if I type here Balboa, save and update, your values have been successfully updated successfully. If I edit user, I will see in the page 9, the last page, Rocky Balboa has this value here, okay, which is Balboa. Okay, this value holds Balboa. And if I go to, let me see, if I go to home and type here Rocky Balboa, and for example, if I type Rocky now, I log in, incorrect password. Let's go back. Instead of Rocky, let's type Balboa. If I click login, we are inside. Okay, so it works perfectly, and this is all for now and about the MD5. So you now know how to encrypt the passwords. You can encrypt whatever you want, either the names or emails. Okay, but there are a lot of other encryptions out there that you can use in PHP. Okay, MD5 is not the only one. It's one of the most common and used encryptions, but you can use a lot of other encryptions that are available for PHP. And to learn more about that, you can go to php.net and search there for the other encryption methods. Okay, so this is all for now, and see you guys later. Bye.